Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I turned this old worn out cart into something like this. I decided to turn this cart into a craft cart for my kids, but first I needed to sand it down to get it ready for painting. After sanding it down, I decided to spray paint it, and I went with this white cart, and I went ahead and sprayed the wheels white before I decided to spray them black. I had leftover contact paper from my last project, and so what I need to do first is I need to measure it out to make sure that it's enough. After marking it off, I went ahead and cut it to size. I'm using a scraper that I got at the dollar spot at Target, and I'm just using this to help smooth out the contact paper to the cart the best I can without getting any bubbles. The cart was missing a handle, so my husband and I went to Menards to buy a new handle, and so what he's doing now is removing the base in order to attach the handle. The handle didn't fit where the original screws were on the base, so my husband has to drill bigger holes in order for the handle to fit. And there you have it, you guys, my new to me cart. And if you want to see how I organize this cart for the craft supplies for my kids, click on the link above to be transferred to the part 2 of this video.